Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Some researchers believe that the genes that enable groundhogs and certain other mammals to hibernate through the winter by slowing their breathing and heart rates and lowering their body temperature may be blank in humans, present yet having essentially no effect on our bodily processes. So the text highlights how there is a gene that's responsible for hibernation, which is like slowing their breathing and heart rates and lowering their body temperatures during winter, and that this gene may be present in humans, but it has no effect on our bodily processes. So essentially, this gene is inactive, but there in humans. So the best word or phrase for this blank would highlight that. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Decisive. This is incorrect because decisive would mean that it has some sort of effect on the outcome. But this is not the case because it says clearly that the gene is present but it has no effect. Therefore, decisive cannot fit in this blank, and A is incorrect. B. Lacking. This is incorrect because lacking would mean that it's not there, but clearly it says here that it is present, which means it is there, and therefore it is not lacking. So B is also incorrect. C. Variable. This is incorrect because variable in this context would mean that it has a changing effect, a variable effect. But as before, this is not the case because it clearly says here that it is present, yet it has essentially no effect on our bodily processes. Therefore, it is not variable and it has simply no effect. So C must be incorrect. D. Dormant. This is the correct answer because dormant means inactive, and this properly fits the blank because it highlights or captures the correct meaning, where it is present but it has no effect on our bodily processes. So dormant or inactive. And therefore the correct answer is D.